Hi Jace, where are you?
I'm here.
Where are you hiding?
I'm here. I'm here.
Oh, has it been burgled?
No, it's
not been robbed?
burgled. It's been checked off professionally, Kev.
Oh, right.
Right, let me go put the...
That's not been robbed.
Just prime this up.
Stop.
There you go. Right, I need to put the gas on.
Nice little one.
Every time this stuff, Kev.
Hey?
It gets me every time.
What?
The gas bottle here.
Oh, behind the door.
Yeah.
The door's been open.
Right, I had some electrical yesterday. So, next phase is fridge. Just wait there.
So you had the fridge on electric yesterday, yeah?
I did all electric yesterday on it.
Right,
Yeah.
so now you're going to do the gas
And the gas now.
on the fridge and the heating and the hot water.
Yeah, so let's do my fridge. Little reading there. You keep pinching on your pens.
That's where you put it, Jason, underneath the clipboard.
Oh.
Right, so what are we doing now? So you press that in, hold the ignition in, and then look at the little pointer there. Watch the pointer go into the green, which means that it's lit, because it's warming the thermocouple. And then when you let go, it should stay in the green. If it drops out of the green, it means the light's gone out.
Right, hot water's next. There we go.
What heating system have we got in this, Jason?
It's a shark.
It's a whale.
And then I'm going to put the heating on as well. On the gas.
Yeah.
Right. So, we did electric yesterday, gas today. There's the gas
There's
kicking
the
in.
fan kicking in, yeah.
So we'll leave that. And I want to show you something. I've been checking a Betty car off, Kev.
Yeah.
And it's got that much kit on you wouldn't believe.
Yeah.
Look, have a look at it.
Yeah, go on then.
Let's shut that up now. So we're doing all the gas on that today.
Yep.
And then
A Bessie car, did you say?
Bessie car. Come have a look at this.
Bailey.
Bailey. Begins with B anyway. Come
It's a
on.
Bailey.
Come on, look at this Bailey.
A Bailey Approach Advance.
This one I've nearly done. Right?
Yep.
So, look what we've got up here. We've got the solar panel,
Yeah.
charger. That's one extra. What's that? Satellite.
Satellite.
Yeah?
That's a nice, neat little satellite box, isn't it?
Look at this. That's the original. So that aerial will be for that one.
Yeah.
This is a new one put in. So that switches the satellite on. That switches the TV aerial on up there. That one there switches that one on for the USBs. And that one there switches that one on. Yeah.
Loads of kit.
Loads of kit. So you say,
Are they manufacturers or
what?
are they been put on at the manufacturers or dealers or?
I'm going to click it.
Oh.
So my next, oh, I want to show you something. Watch this, watch this.
Oh.
Is this the best invention ever? Watch. See that little spring there?
Yeah.
Watch.
That's good, isn't it?
Do you like that?
Oh.
And then you go, oh, down, watch. Little
Yeah.
spring, tight spring. Little springy.
Clever that, isn't it?
Do you like that?
Mm.
So, what I did is, what's normally under there?
They'd be good on gas lockers, something like that, you know, wouldn't it?
What's normally under there?
Normally under there is the leisure battery.
Yeah, and I went,
Oh, it's storage, isn't it?
it's disappeared, look.
That's for an extra leisure battery.
No, that's where leisure batteries go, Kevin.
Oh.
Look, see. That's where they go. Yeah.
Ah, but
So then I had to go on the hunt. Look what we've got there. What's that?
that's isolation switch.
Isolation switch. So, what would be under here, Kev?
2 leisure batteries.
2 leisure batteries.
Ah, so if it was just a standard 1 leisure battery, it'd be in that hatch that you first lifted up.
Yep.
But what's under this one then?
Hang on. Under what?
That one used to be.
No, that's storage, Kev.
Yeah.
That's just storage.
That's just storage.
Yeah. So, I then went up to here, because this is where you operate the water heater.
Yeah.
Yeah, have that working good. So then I went to the space heater. Yeah, so we switch it on. Oh, what did it say?
Can't see, I haven't got my glasses on.
Space heater lost communication.
Oh. Can
See?
it talk?
Look, space heater, not working.
Why?
So we have to. But it's Sherlock Holmes, my little Watson. So I lifted this up here. There's our water heater. What's down there?
Where?
What's this big bloody thing here?
An air vent.
Now what's attached to it all?
Heater.
Well done.
Yeah.
So they've had, if you look up there, a whale Propex heater put in.
Alright.
Yeah.
Well, they put some kit on this.
Yeah. Look at all this lot here. Space heater. This is all your space heater stuff. Wi-Fi. So there is a Wi-Fi up there that's been put in. Yeah. And then with the power lead, so you can put a new Wi-Fi in there as well. So they've had a space heater put on. Now you can't move them.
That's a good idea, isn't it?
Stuck.
Yeah, they're stuck.
Lots of destructions as well. So then I come up to here. So I thought I'll switch it on, put the fan on. Nothing happens.
Isolation switch?
No. So then when I thought, oh, I wonder if it's a fuse. You'd think it'd be a fuse, wouldn't you, Kev?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I put my hand like that and went, oh, what's that there? You can switch it all on. Yeah. We also have here underneath, can you have a look? Victron NG. And then go and have a look above the fridge.
Ah. So we've got a fan above the fridge.
Yeah, to keep it cool.
Keep it cool in the
When
summer.
it goes cold, or when the fridge goes warm.
In the warm weather. Yeah.
In the warm weather.
Yeah, some people fit a little computer fan behind them, don't they?
So have you seen how much kit's on it?
Yeah, but this is what people don't realise what we come up against when we buy a van.
Oh, we now are we? It's a wee thing, is it?
When our buying department go and buy a van and don't ask the vendor what all the controls do, we've then got to...
Yeah. No, I have got a gun for you.
You've
got a gun for you now.
You've got to find out.
I've got a gun for you now. You'll like this one. You'll like this one.
Come on, Poirot.
You'll like this one.
When are you growing your tash, Mr. Poirot?
You'll like this one.
Good.
You get your little self down there.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, you get yourself down there and watch this.
You're not going to wet me, are you?
No.
I can see what it is anyway before you do it. Yeah. What they've done, they've fitted a solenoid there on the wastewater. So what it's done is flick the switch inside and it's opened the solenoid and it's letting the water out.
But if you're energetic like me, Kevin, I can do it manually as well.
Spanish way, manual.
See? Yeah. Hang on, let me go switch it off for you.
It's like something you have on a washing machine when your washing machine fills with water, like a little solenoid thing.
See that?
That's clever, that.
Some kit there, isn't there?
All these have been added on by the previous owner, haven't they?
Yeah.
They've added some kit on this, haven't they?
So there's your little button
Or is that for your wastewater?
for your wastewater.
And you've had to find all this out?
So I came in Monday and I thought, I'll have a little nice easy one, I'll check off the Bailey. And can you see what I come up against? It was a logistical nightmare. Now,
But now, when the customer comes to pick this up, you can show the customer where everything is and how everything works.
Oh, thanks, Kev. So, you haven't been in all week, have you?
No.
I've got a little job for you, right? And I've even got your little present.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's broke. Probably means he's broke something.
No, I haven't broke anything. Let me go get the scissors. So, Kevin, there's a little boxing for you.
Oh, you bought me a present?
Oh, your present? Yeah, I've got a little job for you.
It's not my birthday till October.
Oh, I'm going to buy anything.
Well, you never do.
You'll never still thank me for your Christmas bonus either.
Yeah.
A nice little present for you. Look what I've got. Another box. Look what I've got here. Look
Pass the parcel.
look what I brought you.
Oh, great, jeez.
Yeah,
I'm dead
look.
pleased about that, yeah.
The lid's not working.
Alright.
And do you know what I did first thing when I come in? Monday.
Cool.
I walked up to it. And I went, right, let's start chucking the hatches. Opened it and ping, I broke it.
Told you it broke something. He always says I've got something for you to do.
So you can't. We were a bit unlucky really because what we did break was then. You see how I'm using your trick now, what we broke. And then we will fix
what
it.
you broke.
It'd have been easier if that had broke, the flap, because they just clip back on.
Yeah.
Right? So we broke them bits there. So what we've got to do now,
Disconnect it inside.
disconnect it all and put a new one down.
It's not a bad fit though, is it? It's what we on there. Ah, it's a compression fitting then.
Yeah.
Did they send a nut and olive with it?
Don't be silly.
There must be, yes. Must be a nut and olive with
It's
it.
not an olive with it.
It looks like 10 mil because the nut and olive will be compressed onto it. Well, the olive will be compressed onto it.
So,
No problem.
just put this here, Kev. Give me that. Oh, crack on.
You're a star, aren't you? Right, we'll have to go inside first, disconnect. Gas off, disconnect, and then we'll whip it off.
Okay.
Yeah.